Think about how long it takes to train a sales rep on objection handling. Weeks, months. Now watch this. I built an AI agent inside of Go High Level that already knows every objection your prospect throws at it. Price too high? Handled. I need to think about it? Handled. I want to talk to my spouse? Handled. It never forgets the script, it never gets flustered, and it never has a bad day. And in this video, I'm not only going to give you this AI agent, I'm going to also show you how to build it so you can get started as soon as today. All right, so this is the sales bot I was talking about. We call it the Nexa Voice Objection Handler. It is absolutely insane. We're gonna be testing it here in a sec. And I'm gonna be giving this to you for free in this video. I'm also gonna give you this prompt that's gonna help build it. But what we can do more importantly is we can just use Ask AI inside of Go High Level to make edits like this. Now, before I test and get into building this and some of the ways to tweak it and make it better, I need to first explain to you the problems with hiring a regular human and how to train them. Because yes, humans are great at this, but at the same time, if they're basic, that's a lot of time and money and resources that are going to train them. So let me show you the quick reasons why this is way faster than hiring a human. So here are some of the problems, like I said before, about this whole process when you involve humans. Is number one, they can call in sick. Okay, they can forget the script or they can quit. Okay, these are the first really big problems. Now, I'm all about humans. I am. The problem is most humans don't really care about their job, unfortunately. If you have a salesperson that actually cares, that they will be better than AI. But the vast majority of people are kind of lukewarm. So it's like, what do you want? You want to make more money or do you want to just, help people out? You want to make more money. And it's like, do you want to get more sales or do you just kind of want to pay someone part-time? Not the way you want it. So that's a big thing with AI. It's only going to keep getting better. Remember, it's only going to be as bad as it is right now. It's just going to keep getting better. So with this, it's like AI can do it way better. Okay, the second thing is you have to start over every time you hire a new person. With this AI agent I'm giving you, clone, ask AI to change it, done. Rinse, recycle, repeat. You have unlimited sales bots you can do for yourself and for other people. Do you see how powerful that is? And right here is what you're gonna have to do when you have a human, okay? You're gonna have to go through, you're gonna have to find them, you have to interview them, onboard, training, ramp, repeat. It's this whole cycle. With this, you literally get in, duplicate it, or just have Ask AI duplicate it, change it, test it, you're done. It can be done in literally like 20 minutes once you have it working right. So like these are some of the pitfalls that are happening with hiring humans. And I want to make something abundantly clear. I think humans right now, if they're really good, are better, but AI will get better. You have to understand that it will get to the point where it is better. And if you learn this now, you will get ahead. This isn't me using some scary tactics or trying to insert foam in here. This is literally the truth. This is what's going to happen. So this is very, very important that you understand and you get ahead now. And in this video, lucky for you, we're going to be covering all the fastest ways to get this AI agent inside a high level booming for your sales quick. So let's get into it. So now it's time for the really good stuff, showing off this amazing AI agent. We're going to go over tweaking this, updating with Ask AI, the prompt that helped build it, inserting into chat widgets, and all kinds of other stuff so you can understand this process. By the way, at any moment, if you have any questions during this video, drop them down below. I think you're really going to like this, and I want to test this so you can see how this works so we can go through and we can essentially have this sell me on some stuff. So without further ado, let me grab my phone and let us dial this bad boy up.
Hey, glad you picked up. What is on your mind?
Hey, I'm good. I'm just trying to buy some Go High Level stuff.
Got it. Sounds like you're exploring some tools for your business. Are you looking for something specific to handle calls or leads, or just trying to figure out what fits best?
So what I'm looking for right now currently, and this is what's really important, is I am looking for a way to automate my sales.
Automating sales makes total sense. A lot of businesses are moving that way to save time and close more deals. Are you more focused on automating lead qualification, booking appointments, or following up with prospects? Or is it the whole process you're trying to streamline?
The whole process I'm starting to streamline. Objection. But I don't have very much money and I have to talk to my spouse.
Totally understand. Streamlining the whole process is a big step, and it's smart to weigh it out. Just so you know, Nexa Voice starts at $297 a month, which is way less than hiring someone full-time. And the setup is super simple. No tech skills needed. Honestly, the best way to see if it's worth it is a quick 15-minute call with the team. They'll break it down for your specific business and help you decide if it's a fit. Would it be worth grabbing a time just to explore?
Yeah, but I have to talk to my spouse.
Totally get that. It's always good to loop your spouse in. How about this? We set up a quick call, and if the timing works, you can both hop on to get all the info you need. What does your schedule look like this week?
Well, you know, I have to think about it.
That's fair. There's a lot to consider. What I will say is, the team is great at looking at your specific setup and giving you a straight answer. A quick call could help you figure out if it's even worth pursuing. Would 15 minutes this week feel doable?
Yeah, but what if I don't have enough money? I'm a brokey.
I hear you. Budget is always a big factor. The thing about Nexavoice is it's designed to save money by catching leads you might be missing right now. Even just 1 or 2 extra sales a month could cover the cost. The team can walk.
Okay, wait. Sorry to interrupt, but I have something really important. What if I'm kind of stupid?
Oh, not at all. Honestly, the beauty of this setup is that it's built to be simple. You don't need to be tech savvy or know all the ins and outs. Our team handles everything for you. They'll guide you step by step, and you'll have full support. If it helps, we can set up a call where they explain everything in plain terms. Does that sound good?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Perfect. Let me check the available times for you real quick. Hang tight.
So as you see, it's going to go through, it's going to book the appointment. Works quite well. Like I was actually pleasantly surprised. It works pretty well. Again, if you tweak it even more, it'll be even better. But this is what most regular sales reps do. Again, will this replace the best ones? Absolutely not. But for right now, the vast majority of you guys are paying way too much for sales reps, where if you tweak this kind of stuff just right, you'll get really awesome results. No joke. Like I was actually throwing a lot of shit at it, and it actually did really well. It was calm, collected, and they can do the same thing for every single person. All right, so now that you understand, how this works and you saw the demo, let's go into tweaking this so you can have this. So first off, I'm giving this away completely for free. Same with this AI prompt. The way you get them is just by joining my free community. You just got to sign up with a 30-day free trial. Check it out. If you hate high level after 30 days, you can cancel. It is that simple. By the way, this is my private community. I won't go into this too much just for the sake of time. We have all the training modules you could possibly want, literally every snapshot you could want, and every single live call you could possibly need. And again, if you look right here on all of them, they're free. Everything is free. You get to talk to amazing coaches. You get all the one-on-one help. I mean, it's just the best. If you don't believe me, click the link down below and you will see the amount of testimonials. But that's how you're going to get both of these for free. Okay. When you come in, I'm not going to say, hey, pay me $2,000. It's nothing like that. Just get in, grab them, and then immediately start applying them. And again, that community is right down below with that 30-day free trial, or you can upgrade, or there's another link if you've already upgraded and you fully have that. So that's the way you're going to get this. So very simply, all we need to do once we have this is we can just edit this existing one, or you can come using this prompt, fill out these exact things, put it into Ask AI, and then you're done. So let me come over here to Ask AI. You would legit just copy and paste this prompt into here to tweak it, but we're not going to do that because we're not building this from scratch. We already have this AI agent built, and that's why I recommend when you get into my private community, you legit just download Nexavoice Objection Handler, and then we tweak it. So what I would do from here is I would copy this. This is exactly how we're going to edit it. If you want to edit it, we're going to copy this name. We're going to come right into Ask AI, and we're going to say, please edit AI voice agent to match my biz. This is so cool. GHL wizard bosses. And watch this. It's going to go through and edit all of this. Boom, look at this. It went through and changed all of it, or is getting ready to change all of it. And if you see tranquility and massage, you might be like, what the freak? It was one of the agents I already built, so it's referencing that I built this off of. But look how cool that is. This now can change this exact agent. And you can just have it duplicate and go through and then pick the number, deploy, and then keep doing that. That is how simple this process is. That's why we love Ask AI. By the way, if you guys are like, what the freak is Ask AI, drop a comment down below and I'll hook you up with a full tutorial so you can master it, because it is one of the most powerful features inside a high level. So now what I want to show you is where you can put this, because this is very, very important. So first off, if you get a phone number inside a high level, this can answer the phone numbers, or you can do routing. That is the first thing. The second thing is you can add this agent, to an AI chat widget. If you don't know what that is, those are the things on the websites that pop up. Let me just show you. So if we go to new, very simply, we can go to voice AI chat, and we can come to agent, and right in here, we can go all the way down and we can find this exact agent. So we're going to take that. We're going to go in here. We're going to make sure this is dialed in. So we're going to just type that all in like that. We're going to click save. And then right here now, we're going to have, the code to either slap this on an existing website or add it to a regular one. So we're going to do GHL wizard sales bot. Okay, we're just going to name it that. We're going to save it. And then what we can do is we can add this to any existing website. So if we come to websites, let's just pick this car detailing website. This is just for the sake of the video, guys. We can scroll right down here to chat widget. And then what are we going to do? We're going to add this exact widget in. We're going to save it. And again, you can either put this on an existing site or just add it like this. And then from there, when we enter, okay, and we look at this in a new tab, check this out. We click this right here, and we now have this exact agent we just talked to.
Hey, glad you picked up. What is on your mind?
I'm trying to buy stuff.
Got it. If you're looking for help with something
So
specific,
that way you can capture it both on the website and via phone number. And then you can put this phone number on local service ads. You can do it all kinds of stuff. So you just kind of have to get creative. And from there, you're covering a lot of bases with sales. That is the beauty of high level. Okay, and using this kind of stuff is you can put it everywhere. And actually, really big pro tip, if you do go out and you use, this AI agent that I built for you in the community for free, and you use this exact prompt, I recommend you go and you put this in as many places as possible, because the more leads it answers, the better it looks like you do, the longer you'll keep your clients because they see that it's doing a good job. So that's what makes this AI bot so powerful. And I'm telling you again, a lot of businesses need this for the phones. Like, no joke. This isn't just me just saying shit. A lot of them have really poor customer service or really poor, like, basic lead management. Not even full sales, but just like, hey, yeah, do you need to go and get an appointment with the plumber? Like, a lot of them don't have it. But with this, it can immediately go through and sell people on stuff, on really anything, because all you have to do is come into Ask AI and have it change the exact agent. And from there, you're like really good to go. So that's how it works. Okay, I'm gonna go over pricing here. Last thing though, because I think it'd be helpful, you wanna get this exact agent, okay, the sales bot, via my private community, which is free down below. From there, you want to come in, okay, you want to use Ask AI or just use the prompt straight up, have it change it, have it tweak it, have it completely different, come back in and test. Always test via web call or phone call. Test, test, test. You have to see it's working. Please do that. And then from there, making sure you get this in the hands of local businesses, and then you use website chat widgets and everything else to really install this so it's as broad as possible. And I recommend using this number and putting it on their Google business profile so you get more calls. So that's basically how this process works. Okay, very simply, very important. Now, let me go into the last part, which is how to properly price this. Okay, so this whole process makes sense. So for the sales rep, I would recommend anywhere from $297 to $497 per month. Now, obviously, you can go way higher if this is something higher ticket, but what a lot of people will be paying is maybe a base salary of a couple hundred, if not a couple thousand per month, plus commission. Okay, this is, I think, the thing to understand is that, like, this sell is relatively easy because there's no robot that needs commission. I mean, you could say, give me commission off it, but it just looks kind of weird. So like, this basically gives them a fixed price to do unlimited volume. Now, obviously you can always ratchet it up, but this is why this is such a compelling sale, because most people are used to having to pay and then pay basically commission on top of that, where it kind of bleeds them dry the more volume they do. With this, it's like you could say, hey, give me $497 or $997 for this AI sales bot to do your sales. But if you get more volume, we're not going to charge you more. So it's a fixed price. Guys, this is really, really powerful stuff. I'm telling you, there are guys right now and people out here going, oh, AI is not great. AI can't do this. AI can't do that. It's getting better and better by the day. No joke. Like, every time I see it, every week later, I'm like, dude, this is way better than last time. It is. You can't fight it. So what you need to do is you need to learn how to sell this stuff now, so that you can kind of get in on the ground floor and we can start promoting this stuff heavier now. So when businesses are really trying to grow and scale, you're the go-to solution. And when you're the go-to solution, who are they going to pay? Very, very important. So make sure whatever you do, you learn how to do this process, just like I showed you using Go High Level's Ask AI, the prompts, the AI agents, so you can start busting out high quality AI sales reps and then getting these in the hands of business owners. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want this pre-built out AI agent done for you and this amazing prompt to help you build, again, if you want to build an army of these bad boys to sell, you get it for free by joining my free community down below with that 30-day free trial. Guys, again, I could talk all day about this, but it is by far the best community you're ever going to join. We got everything, and we have the most support, and we give away the most free stuff. We're also running a challenge if we come back here, a 30-day challenge. And we're at the time of this video, if you win by getting certain clients, we have a whole point system. We actually send you like a hot lead, which is like a business owner that's ready to pay if you do that properly and you win. So we got some big stuff. Make sure you utilize all this very quickly. It's going to change your life, but definitely make sure that you get your hands on these. If you guys have any questions at all, like anything, whether you love it, you hate it, anything, requests for videos, drop it down below and I will answer personally. But what I want to do now is I actually want to link a tutorial. It's going to be going over Go High Level AI voice agents very thoroughly. You need to watch this. I'm telling you guys, it's going to make a big difference. A lot of you guys are lacking certain skills in high level, and that's why I build these tutorials for you to learn. So that video is going to pop up here in a second. So please watch it. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up right now.